Hi guys, it's Ian here, joined with Rico, and today we're going to be having a look at part of Rico's residential training. Now in this particular footage, we're going to see Rico cold approach a random girl right from the street, and eventually he even takes her home with him. Now guys, if you're interested in taking a residential course with us at Kamalifestyles, then please do head on over to our services page at kamalifestyles.com. Alternatively, you can click on our description link right below. Now without further ado, let's look at the footage. Alright Rico, so what we're going to do is we're going to walk around a bit, and when you see someone that you really like, I want you to actually go in direct and maybe say something like, excuse me, but I saw you and I thought you looked really nice. My name's Rico. You see that girl there, I want you to go in and run the open and say, excuse me, but I saw you and I think you look really nice.
Okay, excuse me. I just saw you, I think you're pretty, and I just want to say hello.
Yeah, hello.
Married to my brother. Do you live here? Are you walking that way? I'm walking that way as well. Do you want to walk? How long you are living here?
2 years.
2 years? Okay. Do you think we should go Papagayo, yeah? It's good? Do you want to go there? Papagayo?
I go?
Yeah? Do you have friends here? Russian, Spanish?
No.
No? We can see it. Do you know London? I live there, London. Gracias. London. Maybe later we can go for a drink after this. Go for a drink. I just live around the corner. Do you use WhatsApp? Okay. I will send you WhatsApp. What's your job?
My job?
Hair?
Peluqueirista.
Hair
sale.
You can cut my hair for free? No. Go now? We walk now? Do you want to go first? Hola.
Now Rico, I have to say that I was really impressed by this, and as always it makes me so happy seeing my students get these amazing results. So how did you feel that you got on?
Thanks Ian, I can't describe in words how grateful I am for you for this experience. So yes, as we saw it went really well. I was nervous at the beginning, right before the approach, as it's not something that I normally do, but then I remember the things you told me before, such as a start light conversation, and that put me at ease. Also the fact that you were there with me also relaxed me too. When I approach her, I start to calm down, and it all escalated from then on.
Yes, I have to say that you listened to my debrief really well, and that's why eventually you got the results. Now you look really relaxed when you were talking with her. So Rico, how did you go after the approach? After the approach I started to struggle with what to say. My mind started to go blank, but then I heard your voice at the back of my head saying, and so I made some statements about her, and it started to work. The conversation process, I didn't know how, but after I just had more ideas come into my head, and I could easily ask her to go for a drink with me. That's great, Rico. And how did you eventually get her back to the Karma house? What did you do to get her there? Ian, I was just having a good time. I was really excited. I have to say that knowing you were in the background made me feel more confident. And also when you were messaging me what to do, that also really helped. Because when you are newbie, you don't know where it's the right time to take her home. Pretty early on, I planted the seed by saying the house has an amazing view of the sea, and I just brought it up later on in the interaction. So when I brought it up again later on, it felt much more natural and easier for her to accept my offer and come back to the house. And I remember you were messaging me saying, now the time, invite her.
I thought that was really helpful. So thanks for this.
Yes, I mean, you know how it is. I was keen for you to succeed, and it's just part of this training. So good start. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope this has inspired you to take that action, as this could have easily been you in Rico's shoes. Now, with the right guidance, you can go the full way with a gorgeous girl and just have an amazing time. But anyway, that's all from me today, and if you feel like you'd like to take that same leap of faith as Rico did, then you can always send me an email on Iain@kamalifestyles.com. Now, I'm Iain and this is Rico, and I'll see you next time.